Hi, Axel. I'm Jenny. I'm going to be doing the review on your paper. Let's get started here. I didn't make a lot of comments, so you'll start at the top. Um, See how you put your name on the top here? I was told that by someone who reviewed my paper that we didn't have to put our name on the top. I always do. I suppose for this paper, maybe the essay, I'm not going to. I'm going to double check that because it wasn't in the directions. For some reason, I always just do it. So going down, I went sentence by sentence. I mostly added a couple commas in. Um, so in the beginning, how you put summarize, for some reason, I want to write summary. I was going to rewrite the word for you, just instead of writing summarize. So it could be the summary instead of saying summarize. Um, you said it says all makes sense. Like I said, I plugged in a couple commas after where it says and before. I'm over here on our excess. There's another comma I added there. I added a comma here. I'm also going to add a comma, I think down here. Oh yeah, that word's fine. Maybe I shouldn't have done that one. Okay, well, what I meant to do was add a comma here. So, where before it says which. So it would say argumentation is essential to development and perception, empathy, cooperation, and language, comma, which I never thought about. Or I never thought of. But your rough draft looks good. And enjoyed reading it. Thank you. Good luck.